So good morning student. Today we do lesson 21 prepositions. So before that we must know what are prepositions. So preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else. Okay, or we can say to show its relation with another words in a sentence. Like see this picture. In this, a boy is sitting. See this picture. A boy is sitting under the tree. Okay, and the cow is standing near the lake. So in this, it shows the relationship between the noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence. Like this, a boy is sitting under the tree. Okay, so the preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. In this, tree is a noun and boy is also a noun. So in this, it is show the relationship between the tree and a boy, that where the boy is sitting, a boy is sitting under the tree. So these are the words preposition that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun with another words in a sentence. Like where the cow is standing, it show the relationship between a cow and a lake. So the cow is standing near the lake, and preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Okay, near is placed before the noun or a pronoun. Lake is a noun. So it shows the relationship of a lake and the cow. That cow is standing near the lake. So near is the preposition here. Now see, a house is behind the tree. You can see where is the house. So prepositions tells us the position of an object. Like where is the house? The house is behind the tree. Okay, it is behind the tree. Just see in this. So what is the preposition here? Behind. Behind words also show the relationship of a tree and a house. That where is the house? A house is behind the tree. So again I am telling, preposition is a word that is placed before the noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else or with the another words in a sentence. Okay, a boy is swimming in the lake. In this, it show the relationship between the lake and the boy. That boy is swimming in the lake. Okay, you can see in the picture that boy is swimming in the lake. Okay, now the words under last sentence is a bird is sitting on the roof. In this you can see a boy is sitting, sorry, a bird is sitting on the roof. We can see here the bird is sitting. So it shows the relationship between the house and the bird, that the bird is sitting on the roof. Okay, we can see here the bird is sitting on the roof. So now this we can now define what are preposition. A word preposition is a word that show the relation of one thing with another in a sentence is called a preposition. Now let's see more examples of this. Now we go to school every day. See this. Now in this also we can see when the it shows a direction that we go to school every day. So what is the preposition here? Which words show the relation between the school? Okay, preposition is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun. School is a noun, and it show the relationship between a noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence. Like it shows the relation between we and school, that we go to school. To is the preposition here. I am standing with Sahil. In this also, with is that it shows the relationship with something or someone. That I'm standing with someone means Sahil. It shows the relationship between Sahil and I. Okay, we are waiting for the bus. Okay, in this also it shows the reason that why we are waiting here. We are waiting for the bus. We are standing in front of a tree. You can see in this picture, we means the boys. For boys, they have used we are standing in front of a tree. Where the boys are standing? In front of a tree. Okay, means ahead a tree. A bird is flying over the tree. So where the bird is flying, you can see in this picture, a bird is flying above the tree. Okay, means, what do you mean by this? Over means that when there is, it indicates a movement, that the bird is moving over the tree, means from one side to another. Okay, then we use over. Okay, now see this next page. See the another words. Farah is standing between her father and mother. So in this word we can see between. So what is the difference between among, when we have to use between and among? Between, when it is like in this picture you can see Farah is standing between her father and mother. When we, for two people or things, we use between. ठीक है, जब हम दो लोगों की बात करते हैं देन वी यूज़ बिटवीन, बट व्हेन देर आर मोर देन टू पीपल और थिंग्स वी यूज़ अमंग. ओके, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट मोर देन टू पीपल, जब हम बात करेंगे डैट ही इज़ अमंग द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट. ओके, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट among the class. Okay, when we talk about more than one people or things we use among. And the man is standing by the window means it shows the relationship between the window. Window is a noun. Okay, noun or a pronoun. Preposition क्या है? Preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show a relation with something else. So it shows the relation between the man and the window, that his man is standing by the window means next to the window, near the window. The dress is made of silk. So in this it expresses a relationship that of a part of something, that we are just saying here that this dress is made of silk, means part of something. Okay, of silk, of is the preposition here. They are smiling at one another. Okay, they are smiling at one another. Now June comes after May. So these words are the prepositions. Okay, these words are the preposition. Now this A exercise we will do in class also. Now see this, the boy is playing in the garden. What is the preposition here? Where the boys are playing? In the garden. Okay, the bird is flying over the tree. We have done earlier also this example. Jay said between. When we talk about two person, okay, two people use between. Please listen to me. The direction. Please listen to me. The clock is on the wall. The dog is sleeping under the table. Okay, a school is near a house. The words, again I am saying what are prepositions? The word that show that are placed before a noun or a pronoun. Okay, under, near, on, to, between, that are placed before a noun, because Roni and Sunny, these are noun. Okay, and me is pronoun, wall is a noun, table is a noun, house is a noun. So the words that are placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with something else is called a preposition. Now we will continue this, and we have to do these exercises also. This chapter. Okay students, thank you students.